One of Sean Diddy Combs' defense lawyers quit the disgraced music producer's criminal sex trafficking case, new court papers show. Anthony Ricco filed a motion Thursday to withdraw as one of the Bad Boy Records' 6 defense attorneys without explanation. Ricco's bid to step down won't be official until a judge signs off on it. A judge must find sufficient reason to approve such a request. Under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs, Ricco wrote in the Manhattan federal court affidavit. It is respectfully but regrettably requested that the court grant the relief requested. The lawyer didn't elaborate on why he wanted to step down, but noted the decision came after speaking with Combs' lead counsel Mark Agnifilo. The attorney suggested the cause for his affidavit's brevity is because he didn't want to divulge any information protected by attorney-client privilege. Ricco assured the judge his resignation wouldn't delay the trial, which is set for May 5th, since Combs will continue to be represented by 5 other attorneys of record. Combs, 54, has pleaded not guilty to charges he forced women into drugged-up sex shows has been behind bars without bail since his September arrest. He faces a mandatory minimum of 15 years behind bars and up to life imprisonment if convicted on the top charge. Combs also faces at least 40 lawsuits by men and women who claim he drugged them and sexually assaulted or raped. He's denied the accusations. His legal team declined to comment Friday. Ricco didn't immediately return a separate request to them. As the embattled music mogul faces down a torrent of civil suits and a federal sexual abuse and racketeering case, one of his lawyers, Anthony Ricco, is calling it quits. In a motion filed in New York federal court Friday, Ricco notified the judge of his intent to withdraw, adding it had followed discussions with Combs' lead counsel Mark Agnifilo. Although I have provided Sean Combs with the high level of legal representation expected by the court, under no circumstances can I continue to effectively serve as counsel for Sean Combs, Ricco wrote. Start the day smarter. Get all the news you need in your inbox each morning. He declined to offer the specific details that led to the decision, citing attorney-client privilege in the filing. USA Today has reached out to Ricco for further comment. Ricco represents only one lawyer in a larger team that is working to defend Combs against accusations of rape and sex trafficking. The Bad Boy Records founder has maintained his innocence even as more alleged victims have come forward to outline a pattern of abuse spanning much of the producer's career. Most recently, lawyers for Combs have argued that the federal indictment minus, which in part accuses the rapper of transportation to engage in prostitution minus liens on a racist law. No white person has ever been the target of a remotely similar prosecution, a Tuesday filing on behalf of Combs argued. Seeking to dismiss the suit, his defense team seized on one of the laws the government is using to charge him. The Mann Act, officially known as the White Slave Traffic Act, which makes it illegal to transport